Global presents Property Guru.
वेलकम बैक। सीएनबीसी आवाज पर आप देख रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टी गुरु प्रेजेंटेड बाय सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल। और अब चलते हैं लेकर आपको गुरुग्राम, जहां पर सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल ने अपने लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट ट्विन टावर डीएक्सपी के लिए एक शानदार इवेंट डबल डेजल इवनिंग का आयोजन किया। देखते हैं इसके कुछ खास झलकियां।
सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल ने गुरुग्राम में अपने लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट ट्विन टावर डीएक्सपी के लिए एक शानदार डबल डैजल इवनिंग का आयोजन किया, जिसका मकसद था चैनल पार्टनर्स और कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्टनर्स के बेहतरीन योगदान को सम्मानित करना।
I think it's a game changer for the industry, the real estate industry, as well as the interior design industry, because it's bringing all the luxury giants together. The Armani Casa is coming for the first time, and we hope that it's going to be a very, very successful venture between Armani Casa and Signature Global. And we are very delighted to facilitate it and also design the interiors of this gorgeous project. So I think it's going to change the way people look at interiors in this part of the world. I think Signature Global is a perfect partner, both for us, because we've been working globally, but in India we've been very conservative and we haven't really collaborated with any real estate partner yet. We've been a little conscious, but when we met the Signature Global promoters and the management, we realized we are on the same vision path and we are thinking the same and we are very aligned on what we want to deliver, where there are no compromises, and that's how we got the confidence of bringing Armani Casa, which is a brand that we represent in India, into this project. So it's a huge leap of faith for all three parties, but we are very, very confident that we are going to deliver something which has never been done before.
A meeting with Signature Global has been a very positive experience for us. We met them about 2 years ago, and since then we have been working on two projects. This was the very first one, Twin Towers. Since then we started a much bigger project together with them also here in Gurgaon. So we really look forward to growing this relationship with Signature Global. Oh, it's so exciting to see how much it's growing. In the past couple of years, since COVID, it really picked up. And I think everyone is really excited to see how far it can go.
We at ACC India, we are very thrilled to work with this project of Twin Tower DXP. This is the tallest building of Signature Global, and we are really very delighted to do this project. And we are specialists in the tall towers, not only in India but across Middle East and this. And we built the fourth tallest building of India now, and we think that we will do a very good job with quality, speed, and safety, and to deliver something a world-class product.
इवेंट की शुरुआत शानदार परफॉर्मेंस से हुई, जिसके बाद सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल की लीडरशिप टीम ने ट्विन टावर डीएक्सपी को इंटरनेशनल स्टेज तक पहुंचाने के लिए सभी चैनल और कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्टनर्स को सम्मानित किया।
I think one of the finest things about the project is the location, which is bang on the SPR road. The connectivity to all the major highways of Gurgaon and Delhi NCR, it's spectacular. I think any developer which has a customer-centric approach and very, very strong values, it's always a pleasure to work with such developers, because my clients and my investors are very happy investing with Signature Global because of the timely commitment and deliveries that they've promised and delivered in the past, which everybody wants, because ecosystem is something which is missing in a lot of projects in Gurgaon, which this project definitely fulfills.
ट्विन टावर डीएक्सपी को फ्यूचर रेडी बनाने में की भूमिका निभाई सीतू कोहली होम्स और एसीसी इंडिया जैसे ग्लोबली रिनाउंड फर्म्स ने, जिन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट में डिजाइन और इंजीनियरिंग एक्सेलेंस की नई मिसाल कायम की।
Yeah, I think what I love the most about the project is the facade of the two towers, and second, the clubhouse is just marvelous to look at in the images, and designed by Armani Casa, so I'm sure it's going to be a jewel and a masterpiece in its own.
Oh, India is growing. Look at DLF. You know, they are North India based, and now they've gone to Mumbai. And Mumbai builders, developers are coming to North. And now 2-tier, 3-tier cities also, these big builders are going. That is showing the growth. That shows. It speaks for itself.
So I've been with them for about 3 years now as their channel partner. So it's been a fabulous experience. they are innovating on a daily basis, not only for the products which benefits our customers, but also with the way they work with channel partners. So now we have our own portal, and we get to have all the information about the product, what our clients have booked, what they have paid, any brokerages due, all that is online. So great company to work with. Loved working with them.
द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की आइकॉनिक लोकेशन पर बना ये प्रीमियम प्रोजेक्ट गुरुग्राम की स्काईलाइन को रीडिफाइन करेगा और इन्वेस्टर्स व होम बायर्स दोनों के लिए गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी साबित होगा।
Twin Tower is a very exciting project launched by Signature Global. It makes it very special due to many reasons, because Signature Global has been known largely to do low cost housing, and with these projects and few other earlier they have launched a month back, they are positioning them as a luxury and ultra luxury project with tie-up with Armani Casa. It shows their vision where they want to take the brand to, and Armani is a household name in luxury. So I feel that it will be very good for the discerning buyers who really are looking for luxury with a huge brand. Secondly, the location. It's at the crossroad of CPR and Dwarka Expressway, which is well connected to Gurgaon, Delhi and Manesar. It is opposite a huge commercial belt, ADA, where a lot of five-star hotels, malls, SCOs and other developments are coming. I feel that ultimately it will be not only good as a end user destination, but it will see a huge upside for the investors.
कार्यक्रम के दौरान सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल के दूसरे प्रीमियम प्रोजेक्ट्स क्लोवरडेल SPR, टाइटेनियम SPR और डिलक्स DXP की भी झलक मिली।
तो प्रॉपर्टी गुरु के आज के इस एपिसोड में इतना ही, लेकिन अगले हफ्ते आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी। देंगे आपको कुछ नए अपडेट्स, कुछ और इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन, साथ ही आपके सवालों के जवाब तो हाजिर होंगे ही। बस आप अपने सवाल हमें ईमेल कीजिए pg@moneycontrol.com पर। अपना फ़ोन नंबर ज़रूर लिख दें ताकि हम आपसे संपर्क कर पाएँ। तो अगले हफ्ते आपसे फिर मुलाकात करेंगे और तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल ज़रूर रखिएगा। नमस्कार।
Signature Global presents Property Guru.